Hello everyone, I am Engine Cadet Rufino, and today I will discuss MARPOL Annex 4, which focuses on the prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. Sewage discharge can harm marine ecosystems and pose serious health risks. To prevent this effect, the International Maritime Organization has established specific regulation under Annex 4. Ships must be equipped with one of the following systems. Number 1 is an approved sewage treatment plant. Number 2 is a sewage comminuting and disinfecting system. And number 3 is a holding tank for sewage retention. The discharge of the sewage into the sea is only allowed under specific conditions. For ships with an approved sewage treatment plant, the effluent must not produce visible floating solids and must not cause discoloration on the surrounding water. For ships without a sewage treatment plant, sewage must be commuted and disinfected before discharging. The ship must also be en route and at least 3 nautical miles away from the nearest land. And untreated sewage can only discharge at a distance of more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land, and the ship must also be en route and traveling at a speed of at least 4 knots. Certain areas are designated as special areas under MARPOL, where stricter discharge requirements apply. So, ports must provide adequate reception facilities for sewage. This ensures that ships can discharge their sewage safely and in an environmentally friendly way. Ships that are 400 gross tonnage and above, or those certified to carry more than 15 persons, must hold a valid international sewage pollution prevention certificate. This certificate confirms that the ship complies with Annex 4 regulations. MARPOL Annex 4 plays an important role in reducing sewage pollution from ships. Following this regulation helps protect the ocean and promotes responsible maritime operation. So that is all for now, and thank you for watching.